Hello and welcome to the Prakashan Academy. I am Priyanka and today we are learning unit number. We are studying the ascending and descending. What is ascending and descending? Anybody know what is ascending and descending? Before going to answer me, first of all, let's discuss the overview of this chapter. In this lesson, students will learn how to arrange numbers in order from big to small to big is ascending and a big to small is descending. This helps children understand how number grow or decrease. It builds a strong foundation for number sense, comparison, and problem solving. Our goal of this chapter is understand what ascending and descending means and correctly arrange your two-digit number in a both order. Identify the correct mistake in the number order. Use place value to compare order number. Apply a concept in the real life example and the solved problem. This is the overview and the goal of this of chapter. What is the ascending order? Ascending order, just like the we are climbing the stairs. That means we are going up, up, up. It starts from small to biggest. Small to biggest is a ascending order. Numbers are arranged from smallest to biggest. That number is called as ascending order or the series of numbers that is goes from the smallest to highest is called as ascending order. Think of it like climbing a stair for you. Go. Examples 12, 23, 45, 67. These are the example. As you can see in this series, the numbers start from the 12. But 12 is the smallest among these other numbers. And after that there is a 23. And 23 is the second smallest as compared to other tools. This is how we arrange the ascending order, just climbing the stairs or the going up. And what is descending order? Descending order is exactly opposite of a ascending order. As we know, ascending order is the smallest to biggest. But in the descending order is the biggest to smallest. And number arranged from the biggest to smallest is the descending order. Think of it's like coming downstairs, you go down. Example 89, 76, 54 and 30. As you can see in the clear this example, first we write the biggest number as compared to all the three numbers. After this also 76 also a biggest then other two. After 76 there is a 54 is also bigger than 30. This is how descending order works. Descending order, biggest to smallest. Let's solve some MCQ on this topic. Arrange the ascending order this number. There are the four numbers that we have to arrange in ascending order. First of all, can you tell me what is the ascending order? What is the ascending order? Ascending order is nothing but smallest to biggest. First we write the smallest number. After that we write the biggest. Then first see all these four number. Can you tell me which number is the smallest among these? Which number come first? Is 325 come first? Is 253 come first? Is 531 come first? Or 145 come first? 145 come first. Then write 140 first. After 140, which number comes? Which is the smallest among these three numbers? Then which number comes first? 325, 253, 531. 253 is the smallest among these threes. That means after 145, 250 will be in the ascending order. Then compare these two numbers. Then can you tell me which number is the smallest? Which number is smallest? Three hundred and 25 is smallest, right? 325. After that, only one number remains, 531, right? Then this is our ascending series, and our answer is this. And which option is matched with our answer? Option A, B, C, or D? Can you tell me which answer is correct? Option A is matched with this answer. Option A is the correct answer. Again, another question. Arrange descending order these four numbers. These four numbers. First of all, what is the descending order? What is the descending order? Descending order is nothing but the number of series start from biggest to smallest. We have to write first biggest. Then let's find out which number is the biggest among these four. Is it 748? Is it 974? Is it 438? Or is it the 589? Which number is the biggest among these four? 474 is the biggest. Write 974 first. 974 is the biggest. Write 946. After that, which number is biggest among these three? So first of all, let us understand how do I find the biggest. First, just look the first digit. After looking first digit, which number is biggest? 7. That means 7 is the biggest number. This is how we find the biggest number in the term of a smallest. We check the first digit, then which is the smallest number. Also, then which is the biggest number among this? Option not. This number is the biggest. Write this number. After that, from these two, which number is biggest? Is it 589 or is it the 438? Which number is the biggest? 589 is the biggest. After this remain. Write this at last. Then this is our answer. Then which option among this option is matched with our answer? Option A, B, C, D. Our answer match with the option B. That means option B is the correct answer. Which is the following is correct in ascending order? We have to find the option that is in the correct ascending order. First of all, look the first option. As you can see, first to find out the, as we know, ascending order start from smallest. Ascending from small to big. Then we know, let's take a look to the option A. For comparing or to identify the option A is an ascending order, first we compare the first digit, and as you can see, all first digits are are same. Then we move on to next digit, that is 0. Again, here is the difference. 0, 0, 2, 1. What do you think? Which number should become first? This is the correct series, but here the first should become first. That means this number should be first. That means option A is not in the ascending order. Let's take option B, 4. Let's compare the first digit. All are same. That means it is not, it is in the correct order. Then let's move on to next digit of each numbers. Next, 0, 0, 1, 2. As you can see, 0, 0 comes correctly. After that, 1, 2 is also correctly, because after 1 there should be a 2, or the 0 should be before 1. After next, that means this is correct. Let's move on to these two. 12 is smaller than 21. That means option B is the correct option, because it is in the correct order. Choose the correct descending order. Descending order is big to small. We have to find the option that start from big to small. Big to small. Let's take option 1. Compare the option. First, we should look the first digit. That means all are correct. Then let's move on to second. But here the descending order is correct. But as you can see here this one is, or this number should become before this number. That means option A is incorrect. Let's move on to B option. Start comparing from 9, first digit, all are correct. Then move on to next digit. Again, all are correct. Let's go to 8. 8, 5, 1, 2. Again, it is also correct. Let's move on to 5, 0, 1. These are correct. That means option B is the correct answer. Arrange ascending order of these 4 numbers. First of all, find out the number which is smallest. First, you compare the first digit. All digits are same, 7. Let's move on to next digit of each number. As you can clearly see, only last number is 1. That means first numbers come this. After this 4 should become, it is the smallest. There are the 6 are same. Then we will move on to third digit, 1 and 4. Then which is the greatest? Which is the smallest? This is the smallest. 1 is the smallest. Write this number then. Then last, that number. This number last. Then our answer is come this. Then which answer is matched with our answer? Option B is the correct option. Again, which set is in the descending order? First of all, what is the descending order? Arranging numbers in the series of greatest to smallest, biggest to smallest. Then let's take option 1. First all have 9. First 2 has 9. After 8. That means it is the correct order. 9, 9, 8, 8. After 8 and 5. 8 is greater than 5. That means these two numbers are in correct order. After, let's talk about these two. 9 come before 5. 9 is the greater, 5 is the smallest. That means this place also correct. Option A is the correct option. This also correct. It is the greatest, it is the smallest. Wait a second. Which correct ascending order? What is ascending order? Smallest to biggest. First, let's take option first. Ascending order. As you can clearly see, first digit is 1, after that 2, again 1 and 2. That means it is incorrect because 102, 210, 120. Is it correct? No, it should be here because it is the smallest. Then option A is incorrect. Let's talk about option B. First, A 1 1. That means this is correct. 2 2. This is also correct. Option B is the correct option. As descending order of these four number. First, we have to find the greatest number. First, we compare first digit. Can you tell me which digit is the biggest? This number is biggest and this number is biggest. After this, let's talk about the second digit, this 9 and 8. Which is biggest? 9, right? Then write this number first. After that, 8, write this number. These two remove. Then let's talk about these twos. Both have 4 digit are same. Then move on to next digit 6 and 8. Which is greatest, 6 or 8? 8 is greatest. Then write this number first. After that, write this number. Our answer is this. Then which option is matched with our answer? Option A is matched with our answer. Again, another question, ascending order. We have to arrange this number in ascending order. First of all, let's consider or let's look the first digit of each number. All are same. Let's move on to next. The first digit or second digit of each number. That means last number is 1. This is the smallest because second digit is 3, 3, 5, 2. This is the smallest. Write this first. After that, 3 is the smallest. Let's talk about these two numbers. Then after 3, there is a 5 and 0. Which is the smallest? 5 or 0? 0 is smallest. Write this number here. After that, write this number. Then this. Our answer is this. Then which option is matched with our answer? Option A is matched with our answer. Descending order of this. It is very simple. Descending order, biggest to smallest. Biggest, it is simple because it has the different digit number. First 5 digit, 4 digit, 2 digit and 1 digit. That means biggest number is 5 digit, then the 4 digit or 3 digit, 2 digit and 1 digit. First number come this, second this, for this and for this. Then which option is correct? B option is correct. Which is set is not in ascending order. We have to find a set is not the ascending order. First of all, let's find out which set are the ascending order. 100. It is in ascending order. It is incorrect. It is Also, ascending order, it is also incorrect. It is not in ascending order because as you can see, 4 comes before the 3. That means it is should be 3 should be first. That means option C is the incorrect. Which correct descending order? We have to find the descending order incorrect. First, let's compare the first digit 3 3. That's correct because first number should be biggest. After that, let's talk about second digit of this 2 and 1. That means correct. 2 should be before the 1. Again, let's talk about these two. 3 should become before the 1. Option A is the correct answer. Arrange ascending order these 4 numbers. First of all, ascending order is smallest to biggest. First, which is the smallest number? All digits of 4 numbers are not same, but these two have the same because it is the first we consider the all number first digit. Then which number comes first? These two. After that, let's talk about second digit of these two, 0 and 5, which is the smallest 0 or 5. 0 is smallest. Write this number. फिर बाद में we will write this number. Again, we compare these two. Both first digit are same. Move on to next digit 0 and 2. Which number is smallest? 0. Write 500 and write this number. This is our answer is which option is match with this answer. Option A is a match with this answer. Arrange descending order of this number. Then we have to arrange a number in descending order. Greatest to smallest, greatest to smallest. Which number is the greatest? If we consider or we compare, that means 89 is the last because it is a 2 digit. After that, let's take a look. First is this number because first is a 9. That means which option has starting with this and ending with this? Option A is the correct answer. Also, look this, it is also correct. Which is the smallest among this? We have to find the smallest number among this. First of all, to find the smallest, let's compare first digit of each number. 4, 6, 5, 6. Which is the smallest? 4 is the smallest. That means this number is the smallest. Option A is the correct answer. This is a homework for you. Take a screenshot of this and complete your homework. We study the ascending order and descending order, and thank you.